G'day guys. So today on the Shed Sesh, just giving you an update of, there's too many updates and not enough work really in there. Full of just bloody excuses on not doing jack shit. But I've been busy the last couple of weeks. Mrs. wanted a caravan, so I've been looking at caravans. If you may remember or not, I don't even know if I've had this shed in the in the videos, but this is where the camper van was, or the camper van. So or the camper. So now it's not there. Caravan doesn't fit in here, so I've actually got some extra shed space. So this is actually the front shed. Obviously the other one where I'm putting the hoist and everything. I know I'm spoiled. This isn't a bloody, look at me. I've got all these sheds, but obviously I love sheds because I have a YouTube channel, the Shed Sesh. So just one of those things as over the years, I've just wanted to make sure I had as much bloody shed space as I could. So yeah, so this is a lot of camping crap and bits and pieces. Some of these, like the toolboxes and that, will head up to the back shed. I think the idea is, look, I'm going to ask you, right down in the bottom, should I turn this into a bit of a woodworking area? I mean, obviously I've got to keep this this free because I've got to get cars through up to the back shed. So I've only got, see my yellow lines, see that, working in manufacturing factories for too long, I think. But the safety lines, as my mates like to call them. So yeah, right down in the bottom, whether you think I should turn this into a bit of a man cave, or whether I should bloody I don't know. It'll probably be a bit of both, but it's either going to be a bit of a man cave or half of it. With a TV and a couch and that type of thing, and maybe a heater. I've been working on a sort of a gas tank, wood-fired, bloody potbelly sort of thing for only about 3 years now. So get there. I've got half a job. So I've got some saws and some other bits and pieces. I've got to get rid of the Triton and get something decent. But this was kind of the woodworking area, or the original bit of shed. So what I'm thinking is I can either just sort of expand that down a little bit, have a bit of a where are we? So possibly a chimney there. Maybe a TV up on the wall. I don't know. So it's not a huge amount of space, but it's nothing to laugh at either. So let us know. What do you think I should do? Otherwise, I think the other plan is to keep it a bit of a woodworking area. I'll just use the deck as the man cave. Keep it as a woodworking area. It's spread out with maybe a dust extractor and a few, like a half decent table saw and a few other bits and pieces of equipment, and I can get me woodworking on. To be honest, the the channel was supposed to be around a bit of metal fabrication, pretty much anything in the shed, whether it's woodwork, metal fabrication. Oh, there we go. Arms dropping off. Woodwork, metal fabrication, working on cars, renovation, sort of anything really that involves it involves you in the shed, because just getting in the shed's what guys got to be non-discriminatory need to do. Just get in the shed, just make stuff. If you're a maker, you're a maker. Just get in there. So there we go. Here's me old girl. She needs a bit of a clean up, but do love me old Holdens. my old 70s cars, really. I think, I'm telling you, if somebody gave me a bloody XB coupe, I wouldn't kick it out of bed, I'll tell you. But so there we go. So let us know down in the comments. Just a quick update. Well, it's 5 minutes of me rambling, but just a quick update. But yeah, just a bit of feedback. What do you reckon I should do? And yeah, I'll take it into consideration while I'm trying to make the the decision. And yeah, we'll try and get another shed area sort of up and happening. All right, guys, love your work. Get in the shed.